best that you never had. I'm the best that you never had.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I only decided to start the vlog because the sun was looking good right here. No, look at Elena. Oh, we just like flexing in the parking spot, Elena. Now the light doesn't look good, so I think I'll end it. No, but I hope this car stops because you'll be paying for my college. Oh, she just blew through that stop sign. I should take this off. You can't even, ooh, you can't even see you, Elena. Okay, we're going into Publix because we got to get some girly stuff. But I'll catch you up later. I was saying, this week there's supposed to be like a hurricane or something like that, so everyone's acting crazy, getting waters and stuff. I'll show you. Oh, yeah. So, I mean, if you want juice, that's what's up, but you need water. Wait till we go to Walmart, you'll really see some empty shelves. We're going to Walmart stuff? Maybe not today. Maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna make this like clips of what's happening. Why did I go this way? I can't even smell seafood. Allergic. Comment down below if you think Elena's makeup looks bad, because she thinks that she looks bad. I don't think it looks bad. Okay guys, welcome back. It's the next day, but now we're at Walmart, and what's today? Wait, no, what's today? Today's Friday. The hurricane's supposed to come Sunday or I think Monday, one of the two, but it's already storming kind of bad. So not storm, yeah, it was storming, like raining really hard, but Walmart is packed. Look at the sky. I mean, I'm okay with hurricanes, but I don't do tornadoes. I mean, if you want soda, go ahead, but you know water. We're gonna try to find some more water somewhere. They have more, hopefully. Water, not one, but two. 2 pieces of water that Elena's upset that I got. On the shelves, and there's tomato sauce, but I don't know who just wants to eat tomato sauce. But I mean, if you had to. I don't know who this is lady in Walmart that keeps on yelling Jose. As I was saying, there's this lady in Walmart who keeps on yelling Jose, just like right now. Like, Jose, go to your grandma. Dang. If we hear it a third time, that means the hurricane's real. Who wants a chicken nugget? Should we get... The hurricane is real, my friends. We just left Walmart, had to run because it's raining, it was a hurricane. We got floaties for the hurricane, so we could go downstream. We will be home momentarily. Momentium. Update, there was no hurricane. Dorain, nothing. The only thing that's blowing in the wind is my edges. So yeah, I'm still gonna upload this even though there's probably not a lot of footage except like empty shelves, but you know, the thrill like I got thinking that category 5 is gonna come our way and demolish us, but no, just winds, nothing but something light. So yeah, I'm just going on a walk. Yeah, I don't really see Dorain anywhere. There's some pretty cool clouds and some nice gust of winds coming, but other than that, it looks pretty great to me. No, I think there's a hurricane coming behind me. Nope, it's just clouds. Let yeah, I hope you guys can hear me, and I'm not talking out of my earphones. I just didn't feel like taking them out of my ear. Hope you guys can hear me from this little Dorain wind, because that's all sis could bring to us. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The thrill of it in the beginning turning out to just be absolutely nothing. Good luck to all the other states, and hope the Bahamas, what can I hope? It's destroyed. I hope they build up from the ground up, I guess. Get their houses back. So my arm's getting tired holding this, and I'm walking, doing double exercise.